Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use subtraction command in Siemens PLC S7-300. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. I will open my SIMATIC Manager software, and here we use this one subtraction command. In previous video, I explained about addition command, and now I explained about subtraction command. Also you can see in the down subtract integer. So double click on this one, or first we will go back to counter, and here we will take one counter, and second network we will take the subtraction command, right? And here if you like to be direct, take, otherwise you like to be contact, close contact when we choose. And here we will take one open contact, and here also we will take one open contact, and here also one open contact, and here we will take then data register md10, for example we will choose md10, and this address we will give I 124.0, and second address we will take I 124.1, and this one we will take for I 124.2, and here we will take I 124.3, and here we will choose data md10, which we used for counter, and here we will take md20 for set point, and here we will take md30 for our result RLO. And now this program I will download to the PLC. One or more addresses are not filled. Which one addresses is yeah, this is here. Will not give the C0 counter address must be have to be give. If not any address missing, it will be never download the program to the PLC. Block loaded program is successfully downloaded to our PLC. So now let's monitor. Can change the decimal value also, and here you can see md10 have a some value which is showing. Here we will modify first, for example 5, and you can see this is the 23 shows from 28 minus the 5, and answer give us in the md30. Once I will give the signal at I0.1, not sorry 1, we will give I 124.2 for reset our md10. Now you can see here is nothing have any value at md10. When we give the signal at I 124.0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 value, and you can see when we write the 6 value from the counter, you can see here when coming the value at y124, 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 means any value when comes from the field after this data minus this value from the this data and give us the result in the md30. You can see if we like to be change this value, for example I will make it modify, this is 9 value I will write, and this your upside head have a 13 value at the md10, and your md20 have fixed the right 9. That 13 he will be, this command will be subtract from this value and answer gives you to the in MD34 value. And if you like to change again this value, for example 10, we will write we need 10 subtract from this MD10. So you can answer is 3, because of there is upside have 13 value. Again I give some more value, you can 14. And how much this increased after, your answer will be same, look like as a calculator, because this subtraction command worked as a calculator. Subtract any two values come from the field, after this will be automatically subtract and results give to you in the next data register. And this next data register you can use in compare or anywhere in the functions. You can use this, the various too many long libraries you can find in this standard library or any redundant IO, whatever, which is the your logic creation. How you make the logic creation depends on your logic, you can use the command. So this is basically look like a calculator, which is automatically when you give the value from the field, after it will be subtract and give answer to you in the next data register, and that next data register you can compare in the program. Hope guys you will be understand about this one. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.